Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a stamp in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I'll insert a stamp to this PDF file. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this stamp option. Click here, this down arrow, and there are many kinds of stamp and select one and insert. I'll insert this accepted. I'll put here. Now click on this stamp and you can increase decrease the stamp size, and also you can move anywhere, also you can rotate. See this, and here you can change the stamp opacity and make it transparent, and see this, and in this way you can place stamp on your PDF file as many as stamp you want. Also you can insert your custom stamps if you want. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.